皆さん、チャンネルへようこそ。今日は、日本のラブバイツと彼女たちの素晴らしいライブパフォーマンスについてご紹介します。彼女たちはステージ上でまさに野獣だと多くの人が言っているので、ぜひチェックしてみたいと思いました。
Alright, away. That guitar tone is clean but aggressive. That classic European style power metal influence but with that sharp Japanese precision. The rhyme sections is already tight. The double kick is locked in perfectly. Okay, love vibes. I can see you. Vocal entry as Sammy's voice is super powerful. She's not just singing, she's commanding. There's that operatic strength but still raw metal grit. Notice how she sits on top of the mix without being thrown by the guitars. That's great productions. Pre-chorus build. You can feel the tension building here. The chord progressions is climbing and the drums are pushing forward. This is classic power. Metal structures build anticipations then explode into chorus. If this chorus hits the way I think it's will, chorus reactions, yes. That's an anthem chorus. We are the resurrections that's built for live crowds. You can already imagine thousands of fans shouting that back. The harmonized guitars underneath the vocals, chef keys, that Iron Maiden style's dual guitar energy but faster and sharper. Drum commentary. Can we talk about the drummer for a second? The speed is one thing, but the control, the precision, the cymbal accents are perfectly placed. This is not just pass for the sake of pass, it's controlled aggressions. Solo sections. Okay, here we go. Guitar solo time. First, guitarist very melodic phrasing, clean alternate picking. Second, guitarist come in more shred, heavy more neoclassical feel. The swift picking is insane, and what I love is that it's not random shredding. It follows the melody of the song. That's musicianship. Songwriting analysis sections. What makes this song strong? Anthemic, chorus, technical, but memorable solos. Tight rhyme sections, clear theme of rebirth, comeback, the title, We Are the Resurrection. Feels symbolic. The sounds like a statement track, like a we're back and stronger than ever type of song. Final chorus. The key, leaf feeling at the end, so epic. The layering of vocals make it feel massive, and those final sustained notes powerful. This is stadium metal. Final thoughts 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, that was impressive. Levites blends European power, metal energy, technical thrash precisions, clean but aggressive production, and stadium level songwriting. This is not beginning level metal. This is elite musicianship. Rating for power metal fan. This is 9 to 10 easily if you never heard Levites before. This is strong. Introduction, outro call to actions. If you enjoy these reactions, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know what Levites rock I should react to next.